If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and relaunch it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam, right-click on Rocket League in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Outdated drivers can cause performance issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This can resolve deeper issues that may be causing the loading screen to freeze. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the loading screen issue and enjoy playing Rocket League again. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.